Hey guys, so today I wanted to sit down and do a full face of makeup, but like a really dramatic, like fluoro bright pink sort of inspired Valentine's Day look. I'm just going to potentially do like a get ready with me style with music. I might do a voiceover. I'm actually feeling a little bit under the weather today. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know the dealio, but I've been just feeling very like lethargic and exhausted for the last like nearly 2 weeks. And I think it's just symptoms relating to when I had glandular fever and the CMV virus. It's just something that happens, unfortunately. Once you've had it, you kind of get flare-ups for quite some time afterwards, and I think it's just that. So I figured I'm just going to put some music on and just put some makeup on, because I really feel like doing a dramatic makeup look, but I'm just really tired, so I don't feel like talking much. So I hope you guys are okay with that, and I hope it's still enjoyable. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into getting some makeup on our faces, and also I'll list in the description box everything I'm using too, and if you have any questions about anything I do in the video, just leave them below and I'll get back to you. Holy moly, talk about pigmentation shit! shadows just blend so easily.